No, I did. I modified it to 1289.22. It's at 1289.24. So it's gonna close out here in a second.
Yeah, probably.
If it drops, but if it goes up,
then you just keep scooting that bitch up behind it.
But it also won't tell me. Remember, it doesn't tell you if you do it like that.
What do you mean?
The trade will close. Look, yeah, the trade closed. That red next to it, the trade closed.
No, it's still open if it's on that page. Yeah, if it's on that page, it's open.
Oh, it's going down. It's going down. It's about to hit the down.
Pretty on, bro. Decent.
No, 340 is the closeout.
Bro, that's fucking decent.
350, 365, 380.
Yep. I get that. If you see a 5, bro, cash. 500. That's work all week. That's a slow week at work.
Oh, but that's a real. That's 2 days. If I can make that in one night like this, me and you were doing this right now on my real account.
Bro, this is about to be my real account.
Bro, nigga, this needs to be my real account. Like, bro, I need to get this fucking new card in. Like, oh, I still gotta send them the confirmation.
Bro, I have so much fucking analysis and so much.
They sent me an
education.
email showing me like where my trades were as my company, 380. And they're just like, oh, you traded 0 at 0 and 0. And I was like, bro, I appreciate them sending me that. 360. I might close out the next time I see it at 3. If I see 400, I'm gone.
I'd say 400 or 500, yeah.
I told you that. Like, no, yeah. Oh, it closed out. They closed it out already. 335.
Yep. Decent.
335.
Post it. Be like, damn, one call. It'd be like, I guess that call paid for itself. Shit.
This is only one all the way.
Yeah. Hell yeah. And then I'm about to post this video right after it where I'm about to make $64 in 1 minute. $11, $10, $9. Stay up there. 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 2, 1. Hell yeah, I got that motherfucker.
You see that shit?
Got that bitch.
That one.